Hi everyone, I just received this brand new dash camera and I'm excited to try it out and show you everything that it can do and everything that comes within the box. So this is a 4K Wi-Fi and GPS dash cam. It has a 3-inch touch screen, which is really big touch screen, so it's very easy to use while you're in your car. It has the Ultra 4K recording, so that means it has really clear resolution and the picture is going to be amazing. It has GPS tracking also and Wi-Fi built into the camera, so you can track your trips and you can upload your videos and your files with the Wi-Fi. It also has a Sony Starvis sensor, which is amazing too, and it has a bunch of other features such as the 170-degree wide angle that the camera has. It also has a parking mode, so if anything happens to your car while it's in parking mode, the camera will automatically turn on and start recording. It's just incredible. So once I have the box open, we have the user manual here, which just talks about all the little details about what comes inside the box, which I'm going to show you how to turn it on and off, just a little bit about the camera itself, what the different buttons mean. Everything you need to get it set up and running is right in there. It also has a quick start guide, so if you don't want to read the whole manual, you can just look at this quick start guide and easily get it all completely set up. There's a nice QR code for you to get everything going and very simple instructions to get it going. So let's take a look first at the accessories that are inside. So it does come with the sticker mount that you can use to connect the dash cam. Here is just a little tool if you need to reset it. That's just a little reset tool. We also have the car charger right here. And this is going to just plug right into your cigarette lighter. It also has a USB there, so you don't have to worry about your cigarette lighter taking up, the dash cam taking up that power source. You also have the USB that you can use there as well. A really long cord, which is nice because it'll be very easy to mount your dash cam. And this little box right here that is connected to the cord, that is the GPS. So like I said, it's just built right in, so that is going to track where you're going on your trips. So the next thing in here is just a suction cup mount. This is going to be used to connect the camera to your dashboard. You can use that suction cup right on the window, and it's going to actually screw into this part right here. And it also has just a charger cable, just a simple charger in case you're not using the one from the cigarette lighter, you can use that. And this is just a tool to help tuck the wires in around your car. So if you want to have it set up permanently, you don't have wires dangling around, this little tool can kind of tuck the wires up above your car. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take out the dash cam. So you can see it's nicely wrapped and packaged. And here it is. So it does have this protective film to prevent scratching during travel. You can see it's a good size, so it's very light, so you shouldn't have a problem hanging that up. This is going to be where it will connect to that suction cup. There is the outlets right there for charging. And here is the back screen. Again, this is a touch screen camera, so it really only has the one real button, and that is the power button. There's a reset if you need to reset the camera, but there's really no other buttons on here, which is actually really nice for the sleek design. Here on the side is where you can put an SD card for extra storage. This can do up to 256 gigabytes of storage. So if you have an SD card, you can stick it right in there. This is the back touch screen, so it does come with this protective film on it. And once you have it plugged in and ready to go, we'll just peel this off and I'll get that camera set up. This nice big wide angle is sure to capture a lot of different trips. So I just connected the camera to my car and I haven't put it on the dashboard yet, but I just wanted to show you I have it connected to the power, to the cigarette lighter there, and I turned it on and you can see the screen. It did ask me just to set the time and date when I first turned it on, and as you can see it is totally touchscreen, so you can just press record, you can tap for the menu if you wanted to go there. Everything is completely digital and touchscreen. It's super easy to set up. It took about a minute. It also has a micro SD card that I had to put in, so you will need one of those if you want to record. And now I'm going to just get it set up on my dashboard. I'm going to use that suction cup and put it right up here on the dash, and it will be ready to go.
So
So you can see here, this is the video from the dash cam. This was recorded onto the SD card, and it is a super clear picture, really wide angle, so you can really see everything as I'm going down the street. You have the time stamp and date in the bottom. Also, you can see the speed in the bottom, so you can see exactly how fast you were going at the time of your trip. So it was very easy to install this camera, and the picture is really clear. It seems to be working really well, so I would definitely recommend giving it a try. Thanks.